Good afternoon from Riga. So we are about to begin the webinar. And according to what you're seeing on your screen right now, those people that is streaming from YouTube, you can see the topic is best trading software and platform for beginner. It's kind of it's kind of very interesting topic. Why I said that is very interesting topic because for a beginner or for intermediates, uh, before you like start mastering your technical analysis, knowing your entry, knowing your exit, a lot of stuff like that, you need to first of all know the best charting platform that is kind of user friendly, or I would say the software that is kind of more easy to use. There's a lot of what's it called software there, and there's a lot of chatting platform that is easy to use. But based on my experience and based on the research, uh, I've decided to come up with some of the best for you. And not only that, uh, there are some software like which you can use to like scan the market. So I'll put the list in order, then I will start going uh, one after the other from the list. So the best trading software and platform for you out there. Number one is going to be the chatting platform. Like you need to look for the chatting platform which will be best for you, user friendly. And secondly, you need to know what they call scanner to scan the market and to predict which stock will be best for you, and economic calendar and trading journal. These are what I will be talking about today because those compromises of, I'll say, those are the characteristics of trading platform and software, which you as a beginner you need to know the best. So before I go more details about what I just the list which I just give to you right now, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like put on the subscription button below and just click on the subscription button, and you can click on the notification button as well. So when we have webinar like this of best trading software or how to trade or so like that, or giving you this educational course, you'll be the first to know, because we have a lot of experienced traders as well and analysts. So don't forget to give us a subscription button below and hit the notification. So at the end of the day, you will like be getting notification when the webinar starts. So that being said, let me dive into the more details about the best trading software or platform for you out there. Number one, JForex. I will always say JForex because this is our trading platform. JForex is very easy to use for even for the new guys or for the old guys or so. JForex, this is kind of in-house trading platform for Dukascopy, and it's not only JForex. We still have the online version as well. So you can, if you go to dukascopy.com, you will see the online version. This is Russian. I don't want to start going details, but you just go to dukascopy.com. You can easily still get the online chat. But first, let me just give you this. Before I go to the online chat, I'll show you the JForex platform. It's very easy to use for the new guys because it's designed for those new trader that really are struggling to what's it called to know the trading platform very good. Because if you look at these JForex right now, we have all the most of the indicators that is kind of easy to use. If you look at this star, you will see these ABC patterns and different patterns, which you can see on maybe MT4. I will still talk about MT4 as well because we still you can still use MT4. But number one, JForex is very user friendly. You can easily do any technical and configure it any way you want, and at the end of the day you will like it very good. And the indicators there, we have a lot of indicators, and not only a lot of indicators, you can easily build your own EMA like this, your robot, your EA, I will say. You can build your own EA and install it on the JForex, and the JForex will just like be trading for you, like with your software which you already like developed. So it's kind of very good software. Not only JForex, in terms of looking for the charting platform which will be best for you. You can still easily go to TradingView. TradingView is still one of the best out there. They have a free version, they have paid version of TradingView, and there's a lot of indicators which you can easily use on this TradingView. This is the second trading platform for the new guys, for the beginners. This is the second trading platform that might be best to use after JForex. JForex is very easy. TradingView is still very easy to use, and there's a lot of indicators, any indicators and inbuilt indicators too, which you want. You can build anything yourself and implement it on your chart. I believe that you guys are looking at this. This was the technical analysis I gave on Monday. Actually, it already hit the target. That is almost 221 pips profit. I gave this technical analysis on Friday, and there was not even a drawdown. So I'm not talking about technical analysis. I'm talking about trading chart for you, which you'll be able to use and use it correctly. Very good. And the last one is MT4. You can easily I don't have MT4 on my computer right now, but for the new guys from the beginning, when I start learning how to trade forex and everything, what I really know about is MT4 because it's very fast. But I really don't. To me, this is personal. Actually, I would say I'm not advice. I'm not giving you any advice. But to me, what I understand about MT4 trading platform, I was not enjoying it. Very good thing. I started using JForex. I see how easy it was for me using this JForex platform to trade, and start using the TradingView software too to trade. When I started using those one, I discovered that whoa, these are way better than MT4. But still, MT4 is the most popular one out there for you as a new trader. Once you start learning forex, first thing you have to see is MT4. But it's very good. But that is on the fourth of on my list of platform which is best to use. When I mean best to use, that is the user friendly. When you talk about TradingView, it's kind of very good. When you talk about JForex, it's very good to use too, and MT4 is the third one. So that being said, I will go to the next one, the scanner. For a new trader, sometimes it's difficult for you to like. It's difficult. Maybe if you are trading stock or you are trading currency. Sometimes you're looking for trading opportunity. Maybe when you go to TradingView, you already see a lot of people's idea there on the TradingView. You already listening to a lot of webinar or something like that. But those people, they don't, how will I say, tell you everything that is available in all currency pair or stocks. So you as a beginner, maybe you are looking for the best software to scan the market in order for you to see a trading opportunity. If your strategy, or if you trade more stocks, first software which you can use is this Finvix. Very easy to use. You can use this Finvix to scan the market, and you see a lot of trading opportunity. Then when I mean trading opportunity, sometimes it gives you the highs and it gives you the low. Because you as a trader, you want to like sell when it's on the highest point, where you think is the highest point, and you want to buy where you think is the lowest point. So using Finvix, it gives you the opportunity to scan the market for stock. Finvix is mostly for stock, and not only Finvix, Tick Swing. These two is still mostly for stock. Gives you the opportunity to see the best stock out there. When you talk about Finvix or Think or Swim, gives you the opportunity to see the best stock out there for you to buy or sell, because it scans the market for you. It's kind of do multiple taxing. You put all the details which you want over here, the exchange. You put everything there and you click on search, and it will give you different options of what you are looking for. Or you use this tick or swim, and this tick or swim is not like this. It's kind of more of like a software which you need to download on your desktop. Right now I don't have it on my desktop. I didn't download it, but I have it on my personal laptop. I So if you want to use this tick or swim, you need to download it on your personal laptop. The same with this JForex. If you want to use the JForex, you can easily try our demo version, download it, or you can use our online version too as well. It's very easy to use. And for currency, for those guys that is trading forex, you can easily use trading view. I would say trading view is more better for you to scan the market, to screen the market, or to scan the market to see the best opportunity out there for you. Trading view is the best. When you put all the information, I would not want to start putting the information because at the end of the day to look, I'm taking a lot of time, but you can try that once this webinar is over. Yeah. And if you have any question, feel free to hit it at the chat box and I will answer your question in a due time. So this forex trading view, you can easily use it to what they call screen the market or to scan the market to see the better opportunity out there in the market. So that is for the screener for the beginners. If you're looking for the software or platform to trade, I already go over two for you. I already go over one, the trading platform, JForex, Trading View, and MT4. Those are the trading charting platform. Very good ones. And if you're looking for a scanner or screener to screen the market to see the best opportunity, you can easily, for those guys that is trading stock, you can easily use Finvix, or you use Tick or Swim, or you use Trading View. For Finvix or Tick or Swim, those are mostly for stocks, and for Trading View is for stock and currency for FX. So I already go through that. And the economy calendar. Majority of people like traders or investors, they use Forex Factory. That's the number one, I would say. If you're looking for an economic calendar, the first which you need to check is Forex Factory, because Forex Factory gives you the microeconomic data that is coming out, and is even marking for you the news that might impact the currency pairs. Like if you look at yesterday, there was kind of, I believe there's kind of a news yesterday that impacted this Euro USD, and you'll be able to see it first before those move comes out. You'll be able to view what might impact the currency pair here or there, and that yesterday was on the 12th. So yeah, you can see this Euro news, the May refinancing rates and the monetary statement, and the ECB. I believe this news, the ECB press conference or so, this was what happened that makes this volatility to occur in the market. So Forex Factory is number one. Number two, FX Street. And FX Street too. Why FX Street is very good. You can easily see the economic calendar on FX Street. Not only the economic calendar on FX Street, you can easily still see what they call forecast. A lot of professionals, they are giving their forecast there on FX Street. And continue whatever. Yeah. So you can use this FX Street to view economic calendar, or you can easily use it to see some analyst forecast, to see what they are saying, weekly forecast, monthly forecast, and yearly forecast. You can easily see it on this FX Street. I will recommend the FX Street for you because it's still very good. And one of the best still is Forex Live. You can use this Forex Live to check not only economic calendar of micro, you can still see the macro, and you can still see fundamental events like this Boris Johnson to meet with the UK Parliament and to improve blah 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 blah. These are fundamental events that might likely maybe if the news is positive or negative in terms of this Brexit, it will impact the British pound currency pair against other currencies. So Forex Live, it is very good. And for this Forex Live, you can still see the crypto news as well. So I already go through about the economic calendar, the best one, and there's still the last one because there's four. The investing. This investing is still very good one. You can still see news on this investing. You can create your account there as well in the investing. And finally, the trading journal. You know, for the beginners or for the intermediates, one thing sometimes I'll put for the intermediate and the professional. Sometimes they already things that they know their technical analysis very good, they can predict the market and everything, blah 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 blah. They don't think that it is very good to have this trading journal. It is very good for you to have trading journal because why? It helps you to record your win and losing because you need to keep track on it. You need to know your weekly returns in terms of percentage. You need to know your monthly returns in terms of percentage. So, the best way I would advise you in terms of your trading journal, number one, is the FS book. You can read FS book. There's kind of a app on this FS book to invest into. You can use investing to record your trading or to put down your history. You can use FS book as well because this FS book, the FS book, just register. Then you can easily use to register your winning, your losing, your entry, your exits to record your trade history. Minus the trade history, you can easily automate it as well. So FS book is the second one, and the after you that's the first one. FS book, my FS book. It's a very good one because it's electronic. But those guys that really don't like to use FS book and everything, but if you are good on Excel, you can easily use your Excel too. Use Excel, you can easily just put those number, your entry, your exit, your close points, the lots, every strategy which you want, and it will be recording it stage by stage. So if you don't want to use my FS book, you can use Excel. Or the last one for today for trading journal is going to be trader. Yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah, you just sign up and use it to record your trading. So that is it for today's webinar, and I will go over it again for the beginners, or even you are not a beginners, maybe you already know how to trade, but still you are struggling, or even when you are not struggling, but there are one or two things which you are missing. The best trading software or platform for beginner or for intermediate or for professional, I would say, just because I'm working with Dukascopy, and not only because I'm working with Dukascopy, I already use this platform. This chatting platform is one of the best. I would say GForex is one of the best. TradingView second, MT4 third. That is my classification or my rating, I would say. Duck. And if you want to scan the market or to screen the market to see the best opportunity there, you got to use Finvix or Tickopswim. Those are for stocks. And if you are like trading forex, currency market, I would say TradingView is the best one. And for economic calendar, I went through for you investing. You can use it to check the economic calendar. You can use Forex Factory, that's the most popular. You can use FX Street. You can use Forex View. And if you go to Dukascopy website too, we still have our economic calendar. I don't know why they put this thing on Russia. Okay, change it to English. We still have our economic calendar. You just go through it and you'll see that we have an economic calendar too. So, and not only that, FX Street, still very good one. And the last one is TradingView. And finally, for the journal, Excel, FS book, and TradingView. So, guys, thank you very much for your attention. And Doc, we always argue about politics. That's Doc. I would just quickly say this: like, I'm neither a conservative or a liberal. I just have this independent view. I see things the way I want to. My mindset is saying it. So I sometimes when I comment, I just like show you the other view. It's not like I have this extreme lefty view or right view or so, but I'm kind of independent in terms of politics. So that being said, thank you very much for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe on our channel. We have a lot of professional doctors, which is Mur Rosenberg. He has what's called, he's kind of he focused more on stocks, so he has a lot of experience in stock. We have FS Passion. He's more into for FX, that is currency, and he's very good on that too as well. We have Sky the Limit, we have Buy House, a lot of traders we have there that is giving us a webinar. So we'll be able to, what's it called, if you subscribe on our channel and you click on notification, you'll be getting exclusive of everything we are doing right here. So till then, remember, I'm from Head and I follow politics very good, Doc. So that is the reason why maybe when I grow older, I will become a politician. Enjoy your weekend, everyone. See you on Monday. Bye bye for now.